Welcome back to Let's Launch. This video is about two of NASA's five new pictures from the James Webb. In case you don't know what it is, you can click on the top right-hand corner. There will be my video on the James Webb. The reason that these images from the telescope are so important is because one of the images is actually the first ever color picture from the James Webb. If you've seen previous images, they do have color, but it's only red. These are said to be the deepest high-resolution images taken of space. The first image was actually released the day before yesterday, Monday, July 11th, a day before NASA said so. The rest were published just a day ago, around 11. The first image was SMACS 0723. It was taken in less than a day. Now that might seem like a lot, but if you know stuff about deep space imaging, you would probably know that it takes like weeks for telescopes to capture enough light to actually produce an image. It was the first of the five images released, and it was on the 11th and not the 12th. NASA stated in their description of this image that, start quote, if you held a grain of sand up to the sky at an arm's length, that tiny speck is the size of Webb's view in this image, end quote. It means that the tiny speck you would see from the grain is the entire area that this image that was observed. By the way, this isn't the farthest back we've seen with our telescopes. That was done by non-IR wavelength telescopes, and that is 380,000 years after the said beginning. Well, this image is said to have a maximum of 100 million years before the Big Bang. The second image is on the WASP 96b. The telescope took an image of this planet, which is around 1,150 light years away, using the instrument on board. They detected a chance of water on the 1,000 degree Fahrenheit planet. It is bigger than Jupiter, yet it happens to be half the weight of Jupiter. Due to this, the planet is a lot puffier than Jupiter. Because the planet is 1/9 the distance from Mercury to the Sun to its host star, it orbits at just around 3.5 days. The NIRISS, or NIRISS, on the telescope took this image. For the rest of the images, I'll make a follow-up video to this one. To not miss them, please consider subscribing, or if the video is out, it'll be on the top right corner. The full playlist is on the bottom right.